This world never stops. Ever. Across the globe, 24/7, people are implementing innovations, transforming industries, and powering economies. Building, lifting, drilling, digging, spanning, fishing, transporting. And one thing ties it all together. Literally, WireCo.
WireCo is a collection of steel wire rope manufacturers, synthetic manufacturers, and EMC manufacturers. We brought them all together to be the worldwide leader in technical solutions for lifting and EMC.
The markets that we serve are very interesting. We make the ropes for the aircraft carriers that catch the airplanes, the San Francisco cable car ropes, the ropes on the robots that discovered the Titanic.
Construction projects, mining projects, the oil and gas products that supply our economy with fuel. It's truly one of a kind.
We pride ourselves on meeting these demanding, diverse industry needs around the world with unmatched expertise, innovation, and quality. It's how we've endured market shifts, technological changes, and material supply fluctuations for generations. And it's how we continue to thrive.
In my opinion, there is only one core value, and that's the people. It's all about people. We have people all around the world, and we all have the same vision. We want to supply the customer in the best way. We want to create value. We really want to solve problems, and we do that together.
Trying to meet the customer demand, that's my focus in scheduling and planning, trying to make sure we have the right rope at the right place at the right time.
When customers come to WireCo, they're not only looking for a product, but they're looking for our expertise and solutions to help solve their issues that they encounter in the field.
They look at our people as an extension of their teams to help solve problems and overcome challenges.
Making wire rope is part science and part art. WireCo's expertise and knowledge is what sets us apart from our competitors, in that we tend to grab industry professionals from the industries that we provide products to, and we really put them in technical and sales roles that help support the understanding of those industries and how our products fit into those industries.
And they know, at the end of the day, WireCo will do whatever it takes to help them succeed.
When our products are mission critical and the product goes down in the field, it's extremely important that we've got our best boots on the ground immediately, as fast as possible, so that we can get our customers back up and running. We're willing to jump on a plane and fly across the world overnight to be wherever you need to be on the job site.
At WireCo, we're proud of our relationships that prove to be the common thread helping these companies continue to grow, build, create, and keep this world running together.